Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, and just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. And just click on settings. It's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to review in here, so just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. You go down, come here to automatic display answer, just click in this sign here. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here automatic display answer enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.